Mattel releases first ever carbon neutral toys, including a Matchbox Tesla. I didn't even know that they had one yet. Carbon neutral is the part that Willie Doo highlighted. Mattel is taking its first step towards its goal to achieve 100% recyclable, or bio-based plastic materials in its products and packaging by 2030. But wait, don't they have the actual cars, which are metal still? They don't do it anymore. These toys include the Mega Bloks Greentown, which the company says is the first ever toy line available at mass retail to be certified carbon neutral. 4 new Mega Bloks Greentown building sets are being released this month. They said they're releasing some carbon neutral toys as part of the Matchbox line. And the first of this line of toys is the Tesla Roadster. Is it the new Roadster? Sick. Company's first carbon neutral die-cast vehicle. Okay, they're still going to do it. 99% recycled materials. So what do they do? Are they going in there and getting the old beat up cars and melting them down? Where are they getting these carbon neutrals from?
That'll be a good idea.
It sounds like some YouTube content that would be on your suggested page.
Yeah.
Melting down and remolding.
I'll be very satisfied.
Die-cast cars.
Very relaxing.
They just melt it. They put it in a new mold, and Willie Doo is just lying down in his VR headset.
Like, finally.